Hello, welcome to lecture number 5. In this lecture, we will talk about many things, including the memory limits. Memory limits is you have to know that Jalview, of course, is a Java program, so it has a limited memory and cannot dynamically request additional memory from your operating system. So that's why you have to ensure that you have allocated enough memory, of course, to work with your data. Of course, Jalview, most of the cases, it will warn you that you have tried to load alignment that is too big to fit in the memory. For instance, some, of course, of the BFAM alignment are very large. You can find out how much the memory is available in Jalview. You can just go to the tool menu and then open show memory usage. As you can see, this will allow you to see in the bottom of the page. You can see that it will tell you what is a percent of the memory that is used now. If you would like to know more about the memory usage and all that, you can go to the help and then read documentation about the memory. Of course, if you'd like, when you finish working with Jalview, you can see you have to save your alignment. If you write save, so it will keep your file with the same name that originally exists. But if you'd like to change the name, you can save it as a save as, and then put a different name for your sequence, and then you can know which file you would like to get. But of course, when you save, you have to save it. If there is many different formats to save your file, including jar and JVB and different format. So, and I recommend you can try to save it as JVB or GAR, because JVB as a Jalview project, this will keep all the file, the text file, and the sequence and images and different things will intact in your so you can reuse it again. But if you use it as a sequence only, so this will not allow you to see all the things that you have made with Jalview. But if you want to use other program, for example, if you would like to save the Jalview file and open it in other program, so in this case, you would like to use from the file menu, choose output to text box. When you use output to text box, this means that you would like to change the format, and you can choose other format that fit with other programs like Cluster, FASTA, but remember, when you do this, you will lose many things in your file. You will lose some graphics, some good images, and many things. So that's why try to always keep in your mind that if you would like to keep everything, try to save your file in Jalview as a Jalview project, so JVP. But if you would like to use it in other program, try to know what is the format of the other program, the format required for other program, then save it in the required format as we show you in the last slide. Then you can, if you would like to come again and try to save everything, the alignment, the trees, annotation, everything. So you can use, as we said, from the file menu, you can save it as a project and save project with the name you would like to save. So try this exercise and try to see the difference between saving as a project and saving and reload your project and see what is the difference between both cases and what will fit to your project. And then we now will go to the last lecture number 6.